Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Android Studio and project backups so you can roll back if needed. Open Tools, then SDK Manager, and focus on the SDK Platforms and SDK Tools tabs. Select the target Android API and the Android SDK build tools you need. Make sure the SDK path matches your project settings. While installing, watch for required dependencies and disk space prompts. Once done, restart Android Studio to let the IDE index updated components and apply toolchain changes. Next, you install specific packages, check build tools, platform tools, and the emulator for compatibility with your app. Use the checkbox selection and apply to download. You may need to accept licenses. If you manage multiple SDKs, switch the SDK location in SDK Manager and confirm Android Home or Android SDK root environment variables for command line builds. Make sure Gradle uses the updated Compile SDK version and Build Tools version in your module build. Gradle. Once downloads finish, allow Gradle to sync and rebuild the project. Finally, you sync Gradle, perform a clean, and rebuild to verify the SDK update integrated correctly. Run your unit and instrumented tests, and launch an emulator or physical device to exercise updated APIs. If you encounter compile errors, check that Compile SDK version matches the installed platform, reapply missing licenses via SDK Manager licenses, and confirm environment variables and SDK paths. One key troubleshooting tip: if builds fail after updating, revert to your backup or adjust Gradle plugin and dependency versions to resolve incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.